Welcome! In this video, we are going to show you how to perform a firmware update on your Samsung device. First, put your device into download mode by pressing the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time while connecting the USB cable. Keep holding the buttons until the blue screen appears on the device. Once connected, Chimera will automatically detect the device and display the available operation options. Now in Chimera, go to the Software Repair tab and click on Update Firmware. Here, you will have the option to perform an online update, where you can select the firmware based on your country, provider, and Android version, or you can use the device's serial number. In our case, we will be loading a downloaded firmware. To do this, go to Load Firmware from File, click on Browse to select your firmware file, and then click on Start Procedure. Chimera will execute all the necessary steps to install the selected firmware. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Once the flashing is finished, the phone will boot up, and you can proceed to use it. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.